Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. If you are a contractor, a landscaper, a foreman, or maybe you're just a do-it-yourselfer and you need a reliable work truck to help you out and get the job done, well, this 2025 Silverado regular cab standard box 4x4 is ready to put in a full day's work. This is brand new. We're going to take you on a tour of this Silverado as if you were here with us in the showroom so you can get a great look from the comfort of your own home. Now, underneath the hood, this features the TurboMax 2.7 liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine connected to the 8-speed automatic transmission. 310 horsepower out of that engine, has variable cylinder management as well. This Silverado features the trailering package, which is going to allow you to tow up to 9,500 pounds with this Silverado. Like I said, it's ready to put in a full day's work. Now, we have added these great looking black 18-inch alloy wheels to make this truck look even nicer than it does. Matches the nice side steps we have here on the side. And then coming around to the rear, we have that 6.5-foot box on the back. You'll see the 4x4 on the top of the box here. And then a 4-piece hard tonneau cover has been installed as well. That's a great accessory that comes with this truck. Now you can see the side step bumper, the black Chevrolet stamped in the back of the tailgate. And then we also have the integrated tow hitch receiver here with the wiring harness. Now, dampened tailgate and a little surprise inside, we also have the factory OEM wheels right here in the back for you. And we have the spray-in bed liner right from the factory and a 400-watt power outlet back here to keep everything charged up. You got a table saw, you got some tools you need to plug in, not a problem. It'll handle that. It'll handle great tailgating too. And then you can see the LED bed lighting as well. Now let's flip this back up, continue around the passenger side. I love the Chevrolet stamped into side of the box. And then get this all back in view. We're going to come around the front and then we'll hop inside, show you some of the features in here. Up front, great looking headlights. Chevrolet right in the front grille. We got that black bow tie. And we also have black recovery hooks up front. So if you want to be a good Samaritan and help people out in the winter, maybe they get stuck in the ditch, hook them up, pull them out, be your hero, maybe you make a couple bucks, you never know. All right, let's have a look inside. So we have the bench seat in here so you can seat 3 adults up front or 2 like this as if they were captain's chairs. Big center armrest here. Of course, this seat does flip up. So that way, if you needed to have an extra passenger, you can flip them in there. Now let's hop in. All right, now that we're inside here. So we do have forward emergency braking on this Silverado. We've got the blind spot mirror there. Over here, we've got our 4x4, our trailer tow mode, and then our terrain mode as well. That's when you put it into 4 low. Our truck bed lighting, our automatic headlights, everything's all right here. Nice gold Chevy bow tie. You can see here, only 22 kilometers on this brand new 1500. And then little look across the dash as if you were with us right here inside the truck. We have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have the trailer light check. So this is a really convenient way to check your trailer lights just from inside the cab, and then you hop out and take a look. Make sure, it means that you don't have to have someone in the driver's seat doing that for you, which is obviously very helpful. Our camera system as well. You've got the regular camera, and then you've got this center line here to help you line up your hitch. So that way it makes it, again, easier to hook up for your trailer. Built-in Wi-Fi with 4G LTE, OnStar, and then a great sound system as well. Bluetooth audio streaming, as well as your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And then our heating and air conditioning controls. We have lane keeping assist. We've got the tailgate button here. You can just push that, it'll drop down. And then look at all of the in-cabin power sources. We have USBs, 12 volt, and another regular home outlet here to plug in. And then we have a dual glove box design here on the passenger side as well. And then don't forget this nice big armrest here. Flipping that open, lots of storage for all your goodies. And we have even push button start on the Silverado. So like I said, brand new Silverado regular cab here at Ontario Motor Sales. You can reserve this truck online or come and visit us here in person to take a look at this incredible 2025 Silverado 1500 regular cab. We would love to help you out with all of your Silverado needs right here at Ontario Motor Sales. Thanks so much for watching. We can't wait to see who gets behind this wheel of this great looking truck.